word and you have to elaborate the word like as per my opinion, as per my view, then, next, after. You know the use of mobile. As you know guys, just you have to use that pillars while elaborating the points while communicating. So let's start here. So before some time I have given the topic to the Shubham, and that topic is how to elaborate the points on life without mobile. The topic name is like that, the life without mobile. And Shubham has prepared only 50 vocabulary. Look guys, I am using the word vocabulary. He haven't prepared these sentences. With the help of vocabulary, he will elaborate the points. What is the life without mobile? As you know guys, all of you know the use of mobile is as per the in our food, the salt is essential part. Like that, mobile is as much essential like a salt in our mobile. So we will have to check the body language, accents and utterances of Shubham, how he will elaborate the points on the topic life without mobile. Everyone is using mobile, everyone knows what is the role of mobile. Yeah, everyone will elaborate the points, the use of mobile, the beneficial points of mobile, the do's and don'ts of mobile. Everyone is since from childhood, since from infant level, means children are using the mobile, teenagers are using the mobile, school students, college students, even that principal, each and every field we use the mobile. The importance of mobile is essential for us. So we are discussing the points on that, and before some time I have elaborated that thing with the help of starting means how to elaborate the initial level. Means if you want to show the points, that time you should have to use the words like as you know, as per your opinion, as per your view, and just you have to travel your body, just you have to use the gesture in front of the camera. With the help of that point, Shubham will elaborate. And main thing is guys, the use of pillars. There are 3 pillars like after, then and then next. The use of these 3 words he will have to elaborate while speaking, while communicating. So Shubham, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, take that mic and you have to elaborate the points. What is the use of mobile and the life without the mobile? Yes.
So hello everyone, good morning. So today's topic is life without mobile. So life without mobile is like life without water. So we can survive without water till 30 days, but also we can survive without mobile so many days, but we can't live without the mobile. So here the main
Speak.
So here we can for the mobile we can use for the calling, SMS. If you are working somewhere in company or somewhere in office, so you when you are calling, when you have to call with your colleague or sending an SMS, so we use that phone. So we can use different purposes for the mobile, for sharing files, then sharing some videos to other people. So other persons. So here we can see the
important points of mobile.
The important points of the mobile. So in the last decade, how people reaches to another person by with the help of the mail. So they may send the mail. It took 1 month or maybe 2-3 months it took to reach out the other person's home or other person's office. So now in the recent days, we can connect with other people within seconds. So this is the very drastic change in the current technology. So in recent years, the mobile phone companies are improving their applications, then their games, all the stuff they increasing rapidly. So with the help of these, the persons are communicating and with each other so fastly. So then for mobile we use Bluetooth to share the files, or with the help of Bluetooth we can share the music. So we just need to connect with the earphone with the help of Bluetooth. then we can share the video over the WhatsApp. Then we use social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So with the help of that, we can share our like what we are. Yeah, the businesses are going increasing with the help of that social media apps. Like we share the what we are preparing. So we share over the Instagram or the YouTube. All these are the purposeful applications in our life with that phone. So
as per one point, avoid that so word and you have a like as per my opinion, as per my point, as per my view. You have to just show the fingers like as per my opinion, as per my view. My second point is like that. My third point is like that. You are just using continuously so and it's boring. While communicating, you are using minimum 15 times that so.
Yeah.
So avoid that so word and you have to elaborate your word like as per my opinion, as per my view. Then next, after you know the use of mobile, as you know guys, just you have to use that pillars while elaborating the points while communicating. So let's start. Yeah.
So as per my opinion,
avoid so yeah. You have addicted with that word so you have to just keep that so word beside your mind and just you have to guys use the use of mobile.
the use of mobile.
Excellent.
We use that mobile for the transaction of money. So we can use the mobile for the earning money. Then we
use the mobile each and every field like the now you have to elaborate 10 beneficial points of mobile with the help of after then next
Okay. So as you know, we use that mobile for downloading video, then sharing that video, then we can use that mobile for the calculation purpose. So in that mobile we have calculator for the calculation.
When you have purchased your first mobile?
So my first
You are
mobile.
using so avoid that so I have to work on that so okay yeah. When you have purchased your first mobile?
My first mobile I purchased in 2014. So,
okay, in 2014.
so it was
that time you were in engineering or you were in polytechnic?
Yes, I was in engineering.
Okay, you were in engineering.
Yes.
At the first year you have purchased.
Yes.
So what you had? Which is your first mobile you used?
So my first mobile is Samsung Guru. So it was
Samsung Guru means
that small one.
Okay.
It doesn't have multimedia.
Yeah.
So we can just
When will you change your mobile?
So when I got in second year,
Yeah.
so I changed my mobile to
Why you changed the mobile?
to upgrade myself.
Okay.
And
have you updated yourself in the sense of have you updated? Tell me 3 updation for that.
Actually, that Samsung Guru doesn't have the multimedia
Yeah.
to send the application to capture the
Might be in that Samsung mobile or Guru mobile you use the Bluetooth signal.
Yes,
to share
to share that, and then
Okay.
we use that share it to share the files.
Then which mobile have you purchased after the Guru?
Then Samsung Galaxy.
Okay, you have used the Galaxy. Tell me 3 features of Galaxy mobile. What you had used in your college life.
So the first one is the camera to capture some instructions on the college board. So
Okay, on the notice board you have
notice board.
captured a lot of time.
lot of notices. And then I use WhatsApp to communicate with my friends.
And after Samsung Galaxy, now which mobile are you using right now?
Right now I'm using Redmi Note 9 Pro Max.
Look guys, look, not a single mobile he has just used from Samsung Group. First mobile he purchased a Samsung Group. After that Galaxy. And now right now currently he is using the Redmi 9 Pro. Look guys, how we have changed our living standard. How we have just updated our non-living gadgets. I mean guys, we have updated our mobile. Now it's time to update ourselves, guys. So this is humble request by Professor Ajay Maske Patil sir. You should have to update your skill. You should have to update your level. And guys, nothing. Just you have to work on your communication skill. You have to use on your body language. You have to use on your dressing sense. You just have to use. You just have to update your level. with the help of that blog, I would like to share that things you should update your level. Like he has used the Samsung mobile, after Galaxy mobile, then he used, and now currently he is using the Samsung 9 Pro. Means journey starts from the Samsung Guru, and now currently he is using the 9 Pro mobile, Redmi 9 Pro. Just like that, system updated, non-living things, gadgets are updating itself. So you should have to update yourself. You are living human being. So guys, this is the opportunity, this is the time to update your level, update your skill. Finally guys, updation is nothing but you have to update your habits. Seriously guys, change your habit and your habit will change your future. So you have to work on the change of your habits. So work for your habit, and one day with the help of that habit you can conquer the world. Literally guys, you have to work on your habits. Okay, then you will stop. Thank you guys.